The Bobbi Boss 20-inch French curl braid has just landed in store, and I wanted to give you guys a sneak peek of this braid. So it comes in a range of colors including 1B, 2, 4, 27 and 30. And this is what the packaging looks like. We're going to go ahead and unbox it. Some of the features of this braid is that it is pre-stretched and pre-laid to make for easier braiding. Sometimes French curls can be slippery and hard to work with, but this one also features a textured grip to deal with that problem. This is a comparison of the 20 and 28-inch French curl braids. Both of these are Bobbi Boss, and we carry the 28-inch braid in store as well. I also wanted to show you guys the packaging of the 20-inch braid because, as you can see, it is a small packet. It measures to 7 by 17 centimeters. This is what it looks like next to a pack of the Free Tress French Curl 22-inch braid. The Boss French Curl braid also retails at half the price of the Free Tress 22-inch French Curl braid because it contains half the amount of hair. Now, the Free Tress French Curl braid says that it has 3 times the amount of hair, but when you take out one of the bundles, you will actually find that each of it contains 2 bundles. Therefore, a whole pack of Free Tress French Curl actually has 6 bundles. These single bundles are comparative in size to the ones in the Boss French Curl braid. So we can see when we put it next to the Boss French Curl braid that it contains half the amount of hair as the Free Tress braid comparatively. Let me know in the comments section if you have any questions about the Boss braid or if you'd like to request an unboxing. Thank you for watching.